In this video I'll show you how to set up and use this tool that I developed that allows you to convert py to exe easily. You can visit my website in the description for any details that have changed in this video. First, you'll need to make sure that you have Python and Chrome installed. Any recent version of Chrome will work, but you'll need Python 2.7 or any version above 3.3. Now you'll need to make sure pip is set up. Open CMD and type pip, then press enter. If no errors appear, you can continue. If an error does appear, you can watch my video of how to set up pip. It's very short and the link's in the description. Now you will want to go to the repository for this project and download it as a zip. The link will also be in the description. Unzip the file you just downloaded and put the output folder where you want. I'll put mine on the desktop. Now open CMD and move the current directory to this new folder. To do this, use the CD and then the location of your folder. If you are unsure where the folder is located, open the folder and copy the location at the top. Right-click in the command prompt to paste. After changing directory, execute the command pip install -r requirements.txt. This will install the packages needed to run this project. Now that you have the packages needed, type python run.py in the command prompt you had opened before. If you close it, make sure to CD to this directory again. Alternatively, you can double-click on the Python file to run it. The Chrome app should open and you'll be displayed with an interface. Now that you have successfully set up the interface, you can convert a Python script to an executable. Paste or search for your Python file under the script location header. If the file you entered doesn't exist, the input box will stay red. Select if you want the output to be one file or one folder, and if you want a console window. Now click the big blue button at the bottom and wait while the output is provided to you saying what is happening. A lot of output will be provided and you'll be told when it is complete. When it is complete, go to the output folder beside the script and your executable or executable package will be located there. You can click the big blue button again to clear the output and get ready to convert another script or reconvert the same script. This application also allows you to add an icon and additional files. I've also provided an advanced tab with all the other flags that Pyinstaller has to offer and descriptions beside them. For multi-use flags, I've left a space at the bottom of this tab for you to declare them again. This space can also be used to input flags if you already have the flags in a string. I've also put an output directory in the advanced tab if you want to put the output file/folder somewhere else. You can see now that the converted file will have the same name as before. The application checks with the user if it can overwrite. If you have any suggestions or have anything to say about the project, please leave a comment. Also, if you encountered any errors while using this, leave a comment and I'll see if I can fix it.